I'm going to make a really quick eggplant stir-fry. So if you're wanting to do a meat-free dinner, this is a fantastic option. Eggplant is so versatile, and I always say that eggplant is a vegetarian's meat alternative because it's rich in flavour and quite robust. So what I'm doing is just peeling off the skin. I want the flesh to become really silky smooth as it fries in the oil, and I find that the skin sometimes can be slightly bitter, so we'll get rid of that for this recipe. And with a knife, I'm going to cut them into some big chunks. So it doesn't have to be too thin. Cut them down the centre first. And we'll cut them into about 3 centimetre pieces. Now I've been preheating my wok. You can see it's ready because the thermo spot is solid red. And I'm going to add a generous amount of vegetable oil and then in with our eggplant. Now, eggplant is like a sponge, so it does need to take on quite a lot of oil. So while that's frying away, let's get onto the sauce. I'm doing something a little different with this. I'm using some apricot jam as opposed to some sugar. So I'll add a spoonful of the jam. And now for some acidity, some black vinegar, some sesame oil, a few little drops of that. And then we need some saltiness, so we'll add some light soy sauce. I like to use light soy sauce because as this sauce reduces with the eggplant, it will become stronger in flavour, so light is a better option. Using a whisk, I'm just going to dissolve that yummy apricot jam into the sauce. So it's almost a play on plum sauce, and instead of using plum jam, I'm going to be using apricot jam. Okay, that is done. We'll pop that to the side and let's prepare a few other ingredients to go in with our eggplant. Chili, I'm just going to finely slice into rounds, leaving the seeds in. I like a little bit of warmth. You can take them out if you like. And 2 cloves of garlic. With the garlic, just bruise them and then just roughly chop it. Okay, that's looking good. So we're going to add our chili and garlic to the lovely eggplant and then give that a toss. Okay, that is looking quite nice, especially with those speckles of chili in there. Now, these are cooking up nicely. You see how they're starting to become soft? That's what we're looking for, and we want it to be caramelised on the outside. We can add our sauce now and just use a spoon to scrape down the side so all of that jam is included, and then swirl that around. Oh, look how glossy that's becoming, and that's because we added the jam to this. Now to thicken up the sauce, some corn flour, and all you need is about 2 tablespoons of water, and with a spoon mix that in, and then we'll pour this into the eggplant. Now give that a swirl and you'll see the sauce instantly thicken up. Look at that, pretty impressed. Heat off and we can serve this. In a bowl, I'll add some rice. I'm using some jasmine rice, and you need to have the rice with this to mop up all that lovely sauce that we've just made. And we'll spoon over this softened eggplant. Look at that, it's almost breaking up. I love how glossy it looks. Now I need some texture with this, so some peanuts that I've toasted, a small handful, and I'll just run my knife through it 1 or 2 times because I do want it to be quite chunky. And we'll gather them up and sprinkle over the top. And then a lovely addition is some Thai basil, really fresh flavours just to cut through the richness of the eggplant. Just pop that over the top. So much flavour, and it's showing you how to jazz up a good old classic eggplant. I'm gonna have a taste of this one. Wow, so much flavour. I love how the eggplant is really soft. Next meat-free dish, this is the one for you.